In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to factory reset the Amazon Echo Show 8. This is something you might want to do if you're giving it to a friend or selling it. The first thing you need to do is slide down from the top of the screen and press Settings. From here, select Device Options. Scroll up and press About this device. You should then see Reset to Factory Defaults. You then have two options: Reset to Factory Defaults but retain smart home device connections. So with this option, it will still remember all your smart home devices, but if you want to sell it or give it away, you'll need to press Reset to Factory Defaults. You will then be given a warning where it asks you if you're sure you want to deregister, as it will delink from your Amazon account, so press Reset. The Echo will then start the reset process. This will take a few minutes. As you can see, I'm now being asked to select a language. This means the Echo has been reset. You're now safe to unplug it and sell it or give it away.
Hello. This device is ready for setup.
So there you are, you've now factory reset your Echo Show 8. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please make sure you like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.